Noah seems to think that Skip is playing with him, and Skip is completely ignoring him. Yet, this is how he acts. Noah, Skippy's gonna get you. So you're not gonna do it now that I am recording? You playing? Throw his toy. Good job. Go get it, Skip. Here he comes, Noah. Here he comes. Here he is. Noah, you gonna throw it? You throw it? Skippy's gonna get you. Is he gonna get you? You throw it? Oh. Here he comes, Noah. Skip. You gonna throw it? You throw it behind you. There it is. Pick it up. Get it before Skippy does. Double ear infection. You never know. This kid is play, play, play. Where you at, Noah? Skip. Uh-oh, you gonna get him? You gonna get him? Oh, he's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. Get his toy. Go get it. Noah, can you say hi, Grandma? Say hi. Wait, who's going outside? Who's going outside? Noah, are you going to go outside? You looking? You looking? Say no, we're not going outside. Are you going to walk? You going to get the toy? Good job, Noah. Good job. We've had such a long day, and now it's not even slowing down. Skip has been dying for us to be home all day. There he is. There's Noah. What do you got on your face? There he goes. There he goes. Skip. Are you gonna get the pillow? Say Happy Mother's Day, Grandma. 2 days early. Say we love you and we miss you. Bye.